Listen, if you want a quick, filling, cheesy breakfast, this right here never fails. Today, I am making a simple 5 egg cheese omelette, fluffy, seasoned and loaded with cheese. Let's get into it. First, crack 5 eggs into a bowl. We are keeping this one simple but full of flavor. Now, season it up. Add a little salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Don't go crazy, just enough to wake those eggs up. Whisk everything together until the eggs are smooth and slightly frosty. This is how you get that light, fluffy omelette. Heat your pan on medium-low heat and lightly grease it. Pour in your eggs and let them gently set. As the edges cooked, pull them towards the corner so the raw eggs can flow out. Once the eggs are smoothly set, it is cheese time. Sprinkle your cheese right across the top. Use whatever you like: cheddar, mozzarella, Colby Jacks, anything that melts good. Let the cheese melt. Then carefully fold your omelette over. Let it sit another 30 seconds so everything finished cooking. And there you have it, a fluffy, cheesy 5 egg omelette. Simple ingredients, big flavor, perfect any time of the day. Blessings.